अजय देवगन का छोटा बेटा युग देवगन अपने परिवार की विरासत को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि युग देवगन ने 14 साल की उम्र में ही शोबिज में कदम रख दिया है। जी हाँ, उन्होंने अपने पिता अजय देवगन के साथ एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म कराटे किड के हिंदी वर्जन में अपनी आवाज दी है। वहीं फिल्म की रिलीज से पहले ही युग अपने पिता के साथ एक प्रेस मीट में पहुंचे। इस दौरान अजय देवगन ने बताया कि उनका बेटा अभी से ही उन्हें टैंट्रम दिखा रहा है। हालांकि ये सारी बातें अजय देवगन ने मजाकिया अंदाज में कही। तो चलिए हम आपको इस इवेंट के कई सारे वायरल वीडियोस दिखाते हैं और जानते हैं कि युग ने और अजय देवगन ने क्या-क्या बातें शेयर की।
आपको दोनों के आने का और सोनी पिक्चर्स को क्या कहना है?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I think they thought of this, and in fact, when you got this offer, he got very excited, and more than anything, he got excited that at this age he wants to work, and he actually wants to work. Not in the film industry. He doesn't know as yet what he wants to do in life, but work. So, and when he started working, he was so excited and happy, and he started throwing tantrums also.
Oh, but you have this dialogue in the
He
film.
used to come home and say, "I'm a working man. I'm very tired. Don't disturb me now."
You're ready, babe. You're so ready for this. I'm so excited for you, bro. Okay, so you have this line in the movie, Singham wala line. याद है आपको?
Yeah.
बताओगे? You want to say it in the style that you said it in the film?
यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या?
अजय जी, सिंघम बन गया है कि बनने वाला है कि क्या हो रहा है?
I think सिंघम कोई किसी को नहीं बनाता. सिंघम बनाने वाला एक ही है.
Oh! What a dahad, what a performance. What do you really feel about his performance?
No, he's done very well. I think for me, he's been very natural. All whatever I've heard, he's dubbed it very, very naturally.
Nice.
So and it sounds very real.
Lovely. Karate Kid के आप कितने बड़े fan हैं युग?
I love Karate Kid. I've been following it since like forever. I love it. I watched all the films. I've watched the Jaden Smith one. I watched Cobra Kai. I kept following the seasons of Cobra Kai, and now just to get this, it was really exciting.
Were you watching it on repeat, and that's why it's inside of you how this works and how this goes on screen?
Probably.
Was it easy to emote the action sequences? Because you have to, you have to feel the pain. You have to feel that entire thing on screen.
It was confusing because it was my first time.
Yeah.
So to do that for like the first time, it was a little tricky.
अब पापा ने कहा बहुत सारी चीजें सीख रहे हैं. So before I ask you the last question, what is it that you're training in with all the fitness?
Just trying to be fit.
And not eat the wrong things.
Yeah.
You want to tell that to the youngsters here? That eat healthy?
Yeah, eat healthy, don't get fat.
So he calculates that once a week he'll eat a burger and a pizza and.
Oh, yes, cheat days already. All right then, Yug, just to ask you a last question.
Yeah.
And that is that this movie is so inspiring in so many ways. How did you get inspired while you were dubbing?
So I got actually inspired by him because he's always done so well. All of you know that he's my inspiration and I really love him and he's the reason I'm doing this.
Who doesn't want a boy like that? I want to have a son like that. You are so adorable. Thank you so much for being so fierce, strong, so focused with what you managed there on screen. Super proud of you. Can you please clap for Yug right this moment? What a beauty. What an artist. आपने कितना इनको एडवाइस किया इसके डबिंग के पहले?
डबिंग के बारे में कुछ नहीं.
नहीं.
कुछ नहीं. I just told him just be confident and go ahead and do it.
Can you show us a karate move that Dad and I can follow you? Yeah?
A karate move?
Yeah? Like anything in the screen that your character is doing? Or should we call somebody to do this for us? Anybody?
Yeah, let's call someone.
Ajay ji, aap please बुलाएं. Yeah, Yug, you pick. See, there are lots of hands going up. You want somebody from there, where?
The one in the middle who's jumping.
The one in the middle who is jumping. Who is that? Who is jumping in the middle? The orange t-shirt ke left pe, right pe, kahan? Yahan. With the paper? Here. The little girl. Okay, I don't know. I can't tell who's. Is somebody coming down? Aajao. Such a moment of pride and glory for us Indians because it's our fight against terrorism and all that stands for the wrong. Please clap to our Jawans and everything that they've done to tell them that we love them. And we've seen you do this on screen so many times, but just to ask you, how proud are you of the bravery the valor, and
I don't even need to say that. See, nobody wants war, but when there's no choice left, I think there is no choice left then. And I salute to all the armed forces, the PM, the whole government. They had to do what they did, and they did great. Thank you. I would like to thank them very, very much.
let's say Jai Hind at the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Jai
Hind! Thank you, everybody. Thank you for being here. As we all know, 30th May, Karate Kid.